talk a little bit about how some of these projects and really just being able to offload this to My365 has made a huge difference internally for you guys?
Absolutely. So the biggest thing I see with this program, as opposed to a lot of other vendors, is you come in at the beginning of even the idea or the contemplation of this particular project. Um, with the services that My365 and your team offer, um, the biggest one that I leverage a lot, not only from just the design or the technical part of it, but from the sale perspective of it, is your discovery calls. The discovery calls that I'm able to join with yourself, with Rafe, Dave, Nick, the rest of the members of the team allow us to not kind of, actually allow us to go in front of a customer ready to be able to talk to that customer regarding their specific needs and how a Microsoft solution or combination of solutions can come together and present them with a total package of what they're trying to do in different areas. I leverage these discovery calls talking to you guys and saying, I have a client that is thinking about doing this. And I bounce those ideas off of you guys.
Mm.
Not only that, but then we also have the weekly AMA calls, what are they called? Yeah, the AMA
Ask
calls
me anything
basically.
hour.
Yeah, that's it. Ask me anything hour. Yeah. So basically those calls, again, I can jump on those calls every week and I bounce ideas off of things that I know my customers are asking or thinking about doing, and I'm thinking about doing because I know that it may help them. So not only do I have the discovery calls available to you, available to us from you guys, but I also have the ability to ask questions during the week. And then we have the weekly partner calls where a specific subject matter is discussed and we can ask questions around that subject matter. So you guys are very open and always being available to provide us the assistance we need to be able to get a project going, scope that project out,
Mhm.
get the proper expectations, and provide that information. And not only do you guys do it with us, but you guys jump on calls with us and our clients.
Yeah.
All right. Even though I'm your client, I'm NetLogic's client, you also jump on a call with us, acting as one of our team members or part of our team, and you help us during the sales process. You help us during the discovery call from the expertise that you bring with the My365 or Microsoft 365 platform. So that alone is worth the membership, I think, in the service that you provide, where we can actually bring somebody with subject matter expertise to the table and be able to work with them to accomplish the goal for our particular clients. That set aside, now we move into the technical part of it and actually the implementation. You guys provide us so much knowledge and guidance and help us do things. You show us how to do them, you teach us, you do it. And then my team has learned dramatically a lot of information just by working with you guys day in and day out. They are now becoming subject matter experts, not only through certification that your program also offers, the assistance
Mm.
to get through that certification process, but my team has actually told me, hey, I've worked with Netlogic all this time. I can do this on my own now. Yay, we win. That gives us more bandwidth to be able to do more things without having to ping your team specifically. My team is now able to do a lot of the things that you guys do. And that's just by sheer repetition and working with you guys consistently on a consistent fashion.